How to buy GROK VANCE token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, this is a simple click here to copy the token address, and remember this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Bitget wallet. For that, I will just log into my wallet first. So after that, what you need to do, just select the Solana network from here. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here, as you can see. So after that, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added, as you can see, called GROK VANCE. So after that, click on it, and here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see here. Wait a few seconds, as you can see. Now after that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy GROK VANCE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.